Here's the app called BodyFast. BodyFast Intermittent Fasting Weight Loss Diet Meal Tracker. Quite a popular app for intermittent fasting specifically. The number one fasting app is more than 47 million installs. BodyFast accompanies your day by day on your journeys, your goals. Reach your goal weight, get health, and feel full of energy. BodyFast app, intermittent fasting for beginners and experienced fasters. Personalized fasting plan from the BodyFast coach every week, tailored to your goals and progress. Daily coaching for motivation, knowledge, and tips. 100 plus recipes developed for your fasting success. Know what you're eating, weight tracker and body measurements. Drink enough water with the water tracker. More than 10 customizable fasting plans. So there is a free version. So here you have it. And then you can just open it up. You can activate notifications. And then here you have it. So now this is just the idea. And then you can just hold to sign it. That's interesting design. Get the coach. So 1 month, $4 per week, 12 months. And then here you have it. And then that's just the idea how you can start a lot of plans, a lot of coaching in here. So that's just what you're having. That's just your overview in here. And then again, so it's like coach, and then you have recipes, and then you have help, and so fasting. So just featured plan, skip breakfast. And then you can just see the overview of the weekly plan, and then start week. Can fast when the clock is green. Now fasting, now eating. And super easy. Swipe to view fasting stages. First week started. So 8 p.m. you can see that now you can eat basically, but then when it becomes green in 8 p.m. you can't eat, and you can't also eat until like 12 p.m. So period 1, period 2, period 3, and then coach users can take day off from fasting once per week. So you can do that, but then I guess you need to upgrade or so. So that's kind of the app. So super easy, what you can try in here. And so there you have it.